All right, welcome back, friends. We are here. If anybody was watching earlier, I know we had some technical issues. So, the idea here is to do this hackathon of software composers, basically people that don't really have a technical background but are interested in learning about these things and some technical issues. Yeah, I just kind of want to hack together idea here little project over the weekend. Do this hackathon of software composers, basically people that don't really have a technical background but are interested in learning about these things and some technical issues. Yeah, I just kind of want to hack together idea here little project over the weekend. Do this hackathon of software composers, basically people that don't really have a technical background but are interested in learning about these things and some technical issues. Yeah, I just kind of want to hack together idea here little project over the weekend. Do this hackathon of software compose. All right, let's hope that the live stream actually works this time, because it did cut out previously. Okay, it looks like it just kind of want to hack together idea here little project over the weekend. Do this hackathon of software. Okay. So all right, as of now, it shows the live stream actually works this time, because it did cut out. Let's just continue. Okay, it looks like so. Kind of want to hack together. The thought process was that I would show you guys this hackathon. I would go through 100 days of code on Replit. All right, as of now, but I did that in the stream right before this, and then the stream just cut out. Because so I'm not gonna do it. It did cut out. I'm just gonna get straight. Okay, it looks like so. Kind of want to the thought process was that I would show you guys started this project 100 days of correctly on Replit. Now, I did that in the stream right before the hackathon. The stream just cut out. I mean, so I'm not gonna do it. It did cut out. It's not really like there's instructions. Okay, it looks like so. Kind of want to thought process I would show you guys started this project 100 days. Alright, now I did that in the stream right before the hackathon. That's basically it, right? The usefulness. So I'm not gonna do it. I want to hold up. It's not really like there's instructions. Because I basically like trying to want to watch the live stream. Thought process I would show you guys started this project 100 days. Alright, now I did that in the stream right before the hackathon. That's basically it, right? So I'm not gonna do it. I want to hold up. It's not really like there's all video games. I basically like trying to want to watch the live stream. Thought process I would show you guys started this project 100 days. Alright, now I did that in the stream right before the hackathon. That's basically it, right? So I'm not gonna do it. I want to hold up. It's not really like so when you upload videos, I basically like trying to want to play them. Now, alright, I did that in the stream right before the hackathon. That's basically it, right? So I want to hold up. It's not really like so when you upload videos, I basically like trying to want to play them. Now, alright, I did that in the stream right before the hackathon. That's basically it. So I want to hold up. It's not really like so when you upload videos, I basically like trying to want to play them. Now, alright, I did that in the stream right before the hackathon. that's basically it. And so I want to hold up the rest of the break. So we upload these videos. That's basically it. 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 So we upload these videos. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. We actually got a transcription to work. Holy shit. Okay, this is pretty insane. Okay, now what if I do a long video? Is it going to break? That is insane. File uploaded and transcribed successfully. Wait, so yesterday when I was like banging my head, it was basically just because I didn't re-upload the file. I might be an idiot. Okay, well, now this is cool. Shout out to all 22 of you for showing up on the weekend. They're eating the dogs, eating the dogs. Should we listen to it? Don't cancel me, guys.
Eating the cats. They're eating the pets of the people that live there. They're eating the dogs. They're eating the cats. They're eating the pets of the people that live there. People of Springfield, please don't eat my cats. Why would you do that? Eat something else. People of Springfield, please don't eat my dog. Here's a catalog of other things to eat. They're eating the dogs. Whoa, 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 whoa. They're eating the cats. Meow, 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 meow. They're eating the pets of the people that live there. They're eating eating the dogs. They're eating the cats.
Oh my god. That is genuinely ridiculous. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's why we tune in here. Okay, so cannot request results from speech recognition. It's probably too long.
Ever feel like you're
guess. I got an error for the longer video. Linger, not linger. Longer. They're eating the dog. They're eating the cats. Please verify if you see a loading indicator during the uploaded transcription process and if the transcription appears in chunks as it becomes available. Okay. Let's try the same one. Uploading and transcribing video. I don't know if you would call that a loading indicator or what, but it's telling me that it's uploading and transcribing, so that's nice. Okay, it's continuing to upload and transcribe. Okay, it's continuing to upload and transcribe. Okay, it's continuing to upload and transcribe. Here we go. Okay, it's continuing to upload and transcribe. Here we go. Okay, it's continuing to upload and transcribe. Here we go. Okay, it's continuing to upload and transcribe. Here we go. That's the one I was continuing to upload and transcribe. Here we go. That's the one I was continuing to upload and transcribe. Here we go. That's the one I was continuing to upload and transcribe. Here we go. That's the one I was continuing to upload and transcribe. Here we go. That's the one I was continuing to upload and transcribe. Here we go. That's the one I was continuing to upload and transcribe. Here we go. That's the one I was continuing to upload and transcribe. Here we go. That's the one I was continuing to upload and transcribe. Here we go. That's the one I was continuing to upload and transcribe. Here we go. That's the one I was continuing to upload and transcribe. Here we go. That's the one I was continuing to upload and transcribe. Here we go. That's the one I was continuing to upload and transcribe. Here we go. That's the one I was continuing to upload and transcribe. Here we go. That's the one I was continuing to upload and transcribe. Here we go. That's the one I was continuing to upload and transcribe. Here we go. That's the one I was continuing to upload and transcribe. Here we go. That's the one I was continuing to upload. Maybe because that thing was outputting audio? That could be it. Let's hope. Let's hope. Let's hope. Let's hope. Alright, it's still uploading and transcribing. This is a little bit annoying. Eat the dogs. Eat the dogs. Alright, this is taking a long time. Long time. I think I'm gonna have to... Eat the dog. I think I'm gonna have to get a mic. Well, I have a mic, but I think I'm gonna have to either use my AirPods or do a mic because... What is this, my friends? Long error. So, look, what I'm thinking is that this video transcription situation is not going to be that useful. The thing is, ideally, or, not ideally, I mean, theoretically, right? This kind of thing would be useful where, you just upload a 2-hour video, you break it up into, the 2-minute to 10-minute clips that are super useful. You transcribe those clips, you turn those into, written text, and then you turn those into social media posts, right? I think that would be cool, but the more I am playing around with this, the more clear it seems that just dealing with large video is a tough ask for a no code thing, and just for just for a novice, I would say. I don't know if that's gonna be that it's gonna be that easy to figure this out. And short form videos, short clips, are just not that useful, if you ask me. Short clips are just not gonna be that helpful to break apart and make into written content. You kind of want to do it the other way. You want to take written content and you want to turn it into short form videos. There are a lot of apps working on that, for sure. Alright, this is the very final one I'm going to try and upload and transcribe. If this does not work, we are going to move on to building something that is a little bit more useful for us. Still uploading and transcribing. Let's just let it do its thing here. Okie dokie, still transcribing and uploading. And it's probably gonna break quite soon now. Alright, how long is this guy gonna take here? Guys, this is riveting stuff right here. This is absolutely riveting stuff. Okay, I don't know how much longer to give it. I would say maybe like 1 more minute at most. Error database connection. Please try again later. Okay. Okay, so obviously I'm not going to continue with this, but I'm just going to tell it what happened here. What we need to do next is now reconfigure this app to still be useful without taking large videos in, right? How about we just change this? I'm going to take this same initial prompt, but I'm going to change it so that we only accept audio files. Okay. How about audio or text files? Right, audio or text files. Let's stop this. Let's go back to home. Let's kill this. Now describe what you want to make. This is how easy it is. If you haven't tried this before, audio or text files. If you haven't tried this before, this is how easy it is to start building apps on Replit. You just explain to it in a one-sentence prompt what you want, and it will first. This is the thing I like about it most. I'll show you right here. It's going to give me a summary of what I've asked for and then a plan of how it's going to execute on it. So we're not just going to be flying blind. It's going to actually kind of break it down for me, and here we go. I've created a plan for a simple content management app using Flask and Vanilla.js, focusing on audio and text file uploads as requested. MVP will include basic file upload, storage, and listing functionalities. Let me know if you'd like any changes to this initial plan. Build the initial prototype. Would you like any additional features? We can also make changes later. So number 1, user authentication. We'll do that later. Number 2, add file preview functionality for audio and text files. 3, implement a search feature for uploaded files. That might be useful. Number 4, add support for more file types. Okay. That might be useful also, but I think we can start with the most basic and then continue. The thing is, I just want to get to a point where simple features start to work, right? Once we can get simple features working, we can expand, we can add more complicated features, we can kind of do whatever we want, but we need to get simple features working first. Otherwise, we're just going to be stuck in this like annoying little place where we're just trying stuff, nothing works, trying stuff, nothing works. So we need to get simple stuff to work. Alright, content management app, upload file. So right now, okay, so this is already a little broken. It seems like it's letting me upload screenshots. Okay, invalid file type. Okay, so it's not letting me upload screenshots. Oh no, choose file. Let's say I do MP4, upload. I mean, it's still invalid file type. An error occurred while uploading file. Okay. Now, do I have any audio files? .mp3. Preview. How long is this? A lot of this random stuff might not even be in English. .wave. Decent Crypto Podcast. Okay. What about .pdf? Well, can it, you think it can read PDFs? Let's try. Okay, file uploaded successfully. You can see the stored file here. Okay, that's amazing. Nice. What about audio? Should I try sending a little audio to myself? Okay, let's do a voice note. Voice memo. Okay. Alright, this is a little test voice memo. I'm just gonna see how this works. Send this to myself and then try to upload it. If this actually works, then I am hoping that we can transcribe this. If we can transcribe this, then I'm hoping we can summarize this. And then if we can summarize this, I'm hoping that we can turn it into more interesting content. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's the whole goal here. Okay, so this, now I share, airdrop it. Boom. Okay. Now this has been sent as an M4A. Now choose file, desktop, M4A. Try to upload, no. Okay. Maybe I can go in here. Alright, this is a little test voice memo. I'm just pause. New recording. Get info. File. How do I convert this thing to an MP3? Change this to accept M4A file format. Maybe it can, maybe it can't. I don't know. Okay. So the uploads are right here. Yep, you can see the PDF has been uploaded right here. Okay, let's try M4A. Upload. Whoa! It worked. Damn. Okay. Alright, this is a little test. Alright, well, 40-second clip. I'm not gonna actually do anything with it. But that's pretty amazing. Okay. Now. Yes. Confirmed. Great. So now this is the great thing about Replit. You can just roll back here and then you can deploy this if you want to also. Okay, cool. So this is a little file storage app so far. That's all it does. Let's create a new window within the app. Well, I don't know how to describe it. Tab / window within the app that lets users toggle between the main page, this, and the new page, transcribe. The transcribe page will have a drop down where the user can select any uploaded file and click a transcribe button, which will transcribe either the audio or text input. Once clicked, the transcription will be displayed below. Alright. Transcribe page. Let's go. Okay. Can we navigate? Transcribe. Yes. It doesn't do anything yet, but we can navigate. Good. Okay. Implement the transcription. Well, okay. I don't know how to describe this, but like, make the transcribe page within the same window. Make it within the same element and a smoother transition as the home page. Rename home to upload. I don't think I phrased that well at all. I don't think you might not understand what I'm trying to say. Okay. Let's see. Nope, I don't like it. Yeah, and it's broken. Okay, well, you know what? I never imagined that UI was like a specialty of this thing. Um, let's roll back. Let's just get the functionality down. Implement the transcription functionality. Alright, let's see if it implemented my transcription functionality. Okay, transcription result. No, this is not what I want. This is not what I want. Under the transcribe file section, I want a drop down that displays the files that have already been uploaded, not another upload button. From there, the user can transcribe any of the files uploaded in the first pane. Ah, look at this. Wow, that's beautiful. That is beautiful, my friends. Wow. Unreal. Look at that. Transcribing file, please wait. Interesting. What is this .wav file? Whoa! Whoa, guys. This is insane. This is fucking sick. We have a transcription that works. Alright, this is a little test memo. I'm just going to see how this works, send this to myself, and then try to upload it. If this actually works, and I'm hoping that we can transcribe this. If we can transcribe this, then I'm hoping we can summarize this, and then if we can summarize this, I'm hoping that we can turn it into more interesting content. Okay, that's good. Yep, that's the whole goal here. Wow, that is what I said earlier. Oh my goodness, this is insane. Okay, well, what about this one? An error occurred while transcribing this file. When trying to transcribe a PDF file, I got this. Wow, okay. Maybe I do only voice memos. And then expand to other things later. Okay, restarted the app. Let's see now. Let's see, my friends. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is crazy. Oh my goodness. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. Wow. Just absolutely wow. Okay, cool. So we have managed to build audio upload and PDF upload. I want to try this thing that I downloaded the other day. Was it Untitled Notebook? How long is this thing?
Ever feel like you're caught in a whirlwind? Like the world's on...
I think it's this one, yeah. Okay. I think it's this one. This is like a little podcast, like AI generated podcast that I made. When uploading a .wav file, I got Okay, so we're working on a fix to allow larger audio files and dot wave files. So it's probably just a little bit too big. Okay, can you try to upload a file, larger file? Let's see this dot wave. It will probably throw the same error if I had to guess. Let's see. Oh, it accepted it. Wow, nice. Okay, what if we try to transcribe it now? Untitled notebook.wave transcribe. Could not request results from speech broken pipe. For the longer wave file, I got boom. Now it's on you, my friend, to fix this. Nice, we're up to 65 people on the stream. Okay, transcribe. Let's try the untitled notebook again. See what happens. It's a very long one, right? So I would imagine that it might not display too cleanly. Temp chunk 4.wave. Temp chunk 5.wave. Interesting. Does it need to break the audio into chunks to transcribe it? That is so cool. That's pretty amazing that it can figure this out. I wonder how it's managing this. It would be pretty amazing if there was like a little additional chat window that showed you what it was doing. Because it looks like it's breaking it into 9 chunks, right? Probably needs to transcribe each one of them individually. Then it's deleting that little chunk. And it's like adding all of it to some kind of text container that has the full transcription. And then once all of those chunks are processed, it'll just throw everything into that container, and then it'll spit out that container. Okay. $15 chunks for an 11-minute video. Or 11-minute audio. We're at 19 chunks now. Let's see how many chunks we get. When those chunks stop going up, we will have to see some kind of result, otherwise it's broken. Yeah, alright. It did the whole transcription. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. This works. Save it. Nice. Okay, great. Now, good. Okay. How would we be able to get summaries of these transcriptions? Generate. Like, is this something that can be done with a library, like some kind of natural language processing kind of thing? Or, okay. Installing new libraries, updating the backend to perform summarization, and modifying the front end to include a generate summary button. Okay, cool. Let's see what it comes up with here. Okay, transcribe and summary. No, I don't like the way this is displayed at all. But, okay, let's see. Let's do my small recording first. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's bring this thing up into a temporary chunk also. Okay. An error occurred while summarizing. Alright, let's try it one more time. See if we get the same error. Okay, so far no error, but let's see if we get a transcription. Yep, an error occurred during the summarization. Okay. Probably something with the library or the package or something like that. Okay. Let's see what happens. Oh no. Oh no, my friend. Not cool. So the errors are in the summarization. This is the thing about coding I run into every single time, and that I can never ever figure out if it's me doing this by myself, which is just all these like packages and all these various things you just have to have downloaded to get anything to run. So we'll keep trying, and we'll just keep pasting the error that we get into the agent and let it. Okay, so it transcribed, but it did not summarize. It just, the summary is the exact same as transcription. So that's not that helpful. What about the PDF? Okay, interesting. Summary. Oh, whoa! Whoa. Okay, so this might be not bad. I mean, this is not bad. Wow, interesting. It's definitely distilling it down, right? Like, look at the transcription and then look at the summary. What if we do the long one? Long audio. Let's see what will happen here. It'll take like 2 minutes to transcribe, right? And then we'll see how long it takes for it to summarize. I mean, theoretically, right, it is transcribing this file, or like it did it last time. So once it has a transcription, and then for the other file types, it's able to get the summary, it should be able to do the same exact thing for this one. But we'll have to see. We'll have to see. That's why we play the games. If anyone's into sports, that is a sports reference. Where's everybody located? It's almost time for my dinner. Anybody else eating dinner today? Any dinner eaters on the stream? Dinner enjoyers? Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there. Chunk number 15. This thing has 20 chunks. The 20 chunk brother. Something like 20 chunks. Okay, so just thinking ahead now, one thing I'm gonna add is that every time a file is up, or like every time a transcription is made, I want it to just save it so it doesn't have to do it every single time. And then I want to just run the summaries off of the transcriptions, right? So it's like not doing the multiple steps every single time. I don't know how much data that'll take. Well, like, I mean, the transcription is a tiny little text thing, so it shouldn't take up too much data. And then the summary we can also just store. I think that works. Okay, so the summary is not effective here, right? Look at the transcription and look at the summary. It's about the exact same. I mean, what is the last paragraph of this? Mystics is available to all of us right here, right now. Journey of exploration. Yeah, boom, 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 boom. Okay. Not great. The summary and the transcription are the exact same in many cases. Let's improve the summarization function. Yeah, okay, let's see. Alright, let's see what it comes up with. Alright, let's see if we can do this here. Let's upload a long PDF. I want to see what it does with this. Art of Living 2. Okay, I think this is like a long book. File uploaded successfully. Let's try to transcribe. What does the dev tool say? Something about window.ethereum. Okay. Transcribe. I mean, this is a massive book, right? Okay. Yeah, unfortunate. I'm not sure what this means. Error in summarization. Okay. Okay, I'm working on improving the summarization function to generate more concise and meaningful summaries. Okay, cool. Thanks, man. Alright, I'm curious how long we've been going now. Probably like hour and a half. Hour 20 here, and then 15 minutes on the previous one, and then a 15-minute break. So close to 2. Alright, fair enough. How about this, my friend? Will you work for me now? Transcribing foil. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Wow, alright. Well, this is not a great summary, I'll be honest, but it is a summary. Like, that is fast. That is real fast. What about my recording? So it's doing all the stuff that we want. The summary is not the best, but it's doing the stuff that I want, which is great. So, like, the functionality is working. You know, we can improve it. What I might ask it to do tomorrow is see if I can figure out a way. Okay, so the summary is giving me nothing here. Okay. For some written text, the summarization. For my audio file, the summary results nothing. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Cool, man. Like, there is a way to fix this, right? Which is that I take those transcriptions and I feed them to ChatGPT, and that's it, right? Okay, so here we go. Let's try my short recording one more time. See what happens here. Okay, summary is still nothing. What about the long book? Okay, so the long book, the summary is pretty good. The shorter PDF, decent. Okay, what about the dot wave? I know, this is the same as the short clip that I uploaded. For my audio file, the summary results nothing still. Okay, okay, now it's going to rewrite the code, so I won't be able to test, but I do want to kind of see what this untitled notebook, the long wave file that I uploaded, if that is gonna yield anything, because it might be the case that these little 40-second videos, you know, like, okay, alright, this is a little test voicemail, like, this doesn't really, like, I'm not saying anything in this little audio clip, so it might just be that there's nothing to summarize here. It's like the summary is just nothing. It's possible. Maybe we should just try the longer audio file, see if it actually did anything with that. Right? Okay, try uploading a very short video or audio file, see if it works well with that. Let's see. See if it handles the error properly. Nope, it does not. Okay, I'll just wait the 3 minutes or whatever it takes for it to chunk and do this. If it doesn't, I'm honestly not too hung up about this, but yeah. Okay. If it, okay. Now I'm just thinking, right? Like, if we want to turn this into like written content that's useful for LinkedIn or Twitter, we're gonna have to probably connect to an LLM anyways, and so in order to do that, we'll probably have to, take an OpenAI API key into the app. And so if we're doing that as it is, maybe we should just run our transcription through that initially to get the summary, and then we'll eventually use that, from either the summary or the transcription itself to then generate the LinkedIn or Twitter content, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Alright, so I think that's a good place to wrap up. We got the upload working, we got the transcription working, we got the summarization semi-working. Now what we need to do is take the outputs and convert them into different kinds of written content. Okay, we're almost done transcribing. Nice, got almost 100 people here now. Little Saturday evening coding session. Appreciate you all joining. Okay, chunk number 21 is being made. So this should let us get the transcription, and if we have a transcription, it should summarize. Okay. So summarization is not working for any audio files. Try this. Create a new tab for summarization, just like the transcription tab. Anytime a transcription is made, save the output as a text format. Then we will run the summarization can be run on the text output. When clicked by the user. Okay. Okay, let's see if it can manage to do that. I don't know if it will. I would assume it won't. Alright, friend, I don't see the new summarize tab. So I'm assuming you have not done anything that I wanted. Okay, my friend. No. This does not work. Create a... How did I phrase this before? Okay, I'm just gonna tell it to make a new tab. Let's see if it understands these instructions. It's very interesting what's happening because I think maybe it's a file issue or like a file type issue. Cause the ones for, okay, what's happening here? No, this is not at all what I want, right? Like, I want there to be a summarize tab. Dog's going a little crazy here. Okay, so it still works for PDF. Okay, it does not work for this. Okay. Alright, well, we're gonna have to roll it back then. Let's roll it back to here. Okay. Save each transcription as a text file and create a new tab and transcribed files pane. Okay, let's see if it actually worked here. No, it did. I mean, I don't think so. Transcription saved as boom. Where did it save it? Not good. Create a new tab or pane showing all transcriptions. Like, how hard is it to create a new tab or pane showing all the transcriptions? Okay. No, dude, I don't want the summary, though. Okay, whatever. I thought we didn't have the summaries yet. Anyways, alright, whatever. This is going to be a little hard to work with now because I've gotten a couple steps ahead of myself. Ah, no, you've hit the usage limit. Okay. Okay, I will try again in 5 hours. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. See you tomorrow.